Hey guys, I want to show you this really cool product. This is a shave ice machine and an ice cream maker. This goes onto your KitchenAid mixer. It attaches on the end and you can use that to make shaved ice and ice cream. So let's open it up. All right, so here's all the things we have inside. We have the actual shave ice maker right here. You can see this is where it attaches out the front of the KitchenAid mixer. It comes with 8 ice molds, and then of course the ice cream mixer. Here's the bowl. You freeze this before you want to make your ice cream, and it comes with the attachments that you need to make the ice cream as well. There's the ice cream paddle. All right, we have the ice shaver on here, so you just rotate it to unlock it, and then you add the ice. The part that has the X, you want that facing away because it's going to hook onto these spikes and get a good grip. So you just put the ice in there, lock it back on, you let go of the reset button here on the top, and you begin. So I'm going to turn this to, it says between 6 and 8 setting. I've mixed up my ice cream mix and I have frozen this bowl. So now I'm ready to begin. You want to start this spinning before you pour anything in or else it will freeze and lock up. So I have the attachment on top, I have the bowl, and then I have the paddle inside. And these two are going to hook together and they are going to spin. Turn it on. You let this churn for 20 to 30 minutes and gradually gets thicker until it is ready to be scooped. You can either eat it right after you mix it, or you can freeze it a little bit longer for harder ice cream. My kids wanted to eat it right away, so that's what we did. And it was delicious. They absolutely loved it, and so did I.